Welcome to Forward Steps Vlogs. This section includes past questions and answers from Indian Accounts and Audit in the departmental test conducted by the Kerala Public Service Commission. Hope this is useful for you. Good luck. A statement prepared and used to transfer an item of stock material from one head of account to another is called dash. Answer B. Transfer entry order. From the following, which is not included in the entitlement functions of Accountant General? Answer D. Conducting statutory audit. The service details, service history, issued by Accountant General to gazetted officers are known as dash. Answer B. Service card. Pension payment order is not issued more than a period of dash in advance on the date on which the employee is due to retire. Answer A. Not more than a fortnight in advance. The transfer of pension from one treasury to another within the state shall be ordered by dash. Answer B. District Treasury Officer. Dash is an important organ to ensure the sound functioning of a parliamentary democracy-related financial control. Answer B. Audit. The fundamental object of audit is dash. Answer D. All the above. From the following, which one is not related with the standards of financial propriety? Answer D. The capital investment is for making profit. The systematic management of affairs of a project or scheme which assures minimum operating cost for carrying and functions and responsibilities is termed as dash. Answer A. Economy. The achievement of target or other program objectives in a systematic manner with minimum cost using public money is termed as dash. Answer A. Efficiency. The system's central audit is confined to the office of dash. Answer A. Accountant General. Test audit is the audit on accounts and vouchers which are dash. Answer B. Not audited in the central audit. The audit on initial accounts maintained in departmental offices on the spot is termed as dash. Answer B. Local audit. The test check on accounts for a particular period is called dash. Answer B. Local audit. A test check on the leave account including accounts of persons likely to retire or likely to complete dash years of qualifying service are checked in details. Answer C. 30 years. Union direct tax includes dash. Answer A. Income tax. Production and clearance of excisable goods subject to daily physical verification by central excise officers are called dash. Answer B. Physical control. A manufacturer can himself remove the goods from the factory on payment of duty without the intervention of excise officers. This system is called Answer B. Self-removal procedure. The power to sanction expenditure from the Consolidated Fund and Contingency Fund to states are included in Article Dash of the Constitution of India. Answer D. Article 166. 3. A fund placed for redemption of loans by government is called dash. Answer A. Sinking fund. The duties of auditor commence when those of the accounts have been dash. Answer B. Completed. In a commercial institution, the periodical examination of superintendent over cash and vouchers, the balancing of cash book etc. are included in dash control. Answer A. Internal control. The revenue unit of Indian Railway is dash. Answer B. Station master. A final payment in the nature of donation or subscription to the grantee's firms are termed as dash. Answer A. Grant in aid. In the course of execution of a PWD irrigation work, if certain additional extra items is to be necessary for the satisfactory completion of the work dash estimate is prepared. Answer A. Supplementary estimate.